Hello, this is going to be a really quick video in regards to the Thinkcentre 2.5-inch storage kit. Really easy with the configuration that I have and the case that I have. I'm just lifting up this here, and you'll see the 4 notches right here, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the screw. You'll see that on this has 4 notches in the corner, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the screw at the top there. And so that just slides in like so, and then it'll firmly mount right there. This little piece, this plastic piece here, whoops, pick that back up here. This little plastic piece here, you just need to squeeze that and it slides out. Then you can put your smaller hard drive in there. There's the 4 little pins on the side you can lock it in with. It's pretty easy to figure out. And then you just slide it back in, and then you can mount it, and then you'll have your associated cables in your case that you can connect to it. And I hope that was helpful, and that's about it. Have a good one. Bye.